looks really good and everything, but if you look on here, let me show you guys here. If you look on here, the little edge right here from the clutch that has been outside of the drum and is wearing out, and it looks a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and need to shave this down and then clean all this up, but other than that it looks really good. Oh shoot. All right, that wasn't too bad. Ooh. I'll wait for that to work in there a little bit. We'll go ahead and take off the piston here. A little bit. Does is it shocks it. Okay, good. There we go. Oh man, this doesn't look too bad. It's just really dirty. It's really bad shape. You know, it's really dirty. Good. So in here, the cylinder is still good. I don't feel any really bad. Yeah, I feel nothing at all. The cylinder's still good. The only thing I'm really worried about is right here. Looks like there's a little bit of mark up here. But it's not too bad actually. I can probably just clean that kind of like, you know, wire wheel that down a little bit and it'll be better. This crankshaft and rod here, everything's really good. What I'm feeling is for any type of play when you pull it out together like that. I don't feel nothing like that. There's a slight play on the side, that's fine. Oh, looks nice and straight, so that's good. Glad that came out. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean these parts right here that are really bad. The best way to clean these guys and everything is in some gas. Best way to clean them. So the best way to clean it is with an oil pan. Some gas. And if you can, your wife's toothbrush, but if not, an old toothbrush is always good too. Gas also is really good to go and clean up the bearings. It just cleans up everything. Really nice. You might ask me stuff, why do I use gas and stuff? Well, the reason why I use gas